China's commitment to investment in Africa is a step change in the way the country does business. At the 202nd Forum on China-Africa Cooperation for CAC in Beijing, Chinese President Xi Jinping announced an ambitious plan to invest $50.7 billion in development projects across Africa. This pledge is part of China's commitment to strengthening partnership with African countries and supporting their economic and social growth. Many African leaders present in Beijing hailed the pledge as a major opportunity to boost the development of various projects in the countries. In addition, the Asian giant has promised to support African countries in the introduction of panda bonds on the Chinese market, an important way of mobilizing resources to meet the financial challenges of reconstruction projects in the countries. In the future, China has pledged to further open its markets to African countries with a special focus on the least developed countries, which will benefit from zero tariff treatment for 100% of tariff lines. In addition to being the world's second-largest economy, China is Africa's largest trading partner, with bilateral trade reaching $1,067.8 billion in the first half of 2024, according to official Chinese media.